change forever. The earthquake was measured at 9.3 on a little scale. It was the fourth largest earthquake since 1900 and the second largest that has ever been recorded on the Richter scale. The quake was followed by 4 giant waves as high as 100 feet or 30 meters. Whole villages were destroyed. Thousands of people were swept out to sea, and many others died due to lack of medical care. In total, almost 300,000 people were killed and 1.3 million people were left homeless. Aftershocks from the earthquake continued for several days. Tragically, the damage could have been lessened if there had been a tsunami early warning system. Such a system already exists for the Pacific Ocean, but it was released to the Indian Ocean. Since the tsunami disaster, governments have been working together to develop an early warning system so that Southeast Asia will not experience such destruction again from a tsunami. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you. สวัสดีค่ะ